Welcome to the mega factory of the future. Today, we are building a supercar. Every great car starts with a strong skeleton, called a chassis. Watch those giant robot arms go. They are attaching the car's outer body. This is the shiny armor that keeps everyone safe. Our car has its skeleton and its armor. It looks amazing and super strong. But how will it move? The car body is ready, but it cannot move yet. Meet Volt, the super electric battery.
He holds clean energy to power the whole car. The robot safely locks the battery into place.
Wow! The car is finally awake and energized. Next, we add the smart brain and comfy seats. These bouncy springs and big wheels help it drive smoothly.
Bright lights for the dark and cool air for comfort. A quick laser scan makes sure our car is super safe.
The ultimate cybercar is ready for a road trip.
Every single part works together to make complex machines run safely. Where would you drive your brand new cybercar?